Hi, I'm Tom Peters. I'm the Director of Workforce Development at Symbol Training Institute, and welcome. So we're located right here in the village of Addison at 1413 West Jeffrey Drive. We're about a block away from the Vehicle Emissions Testing Center, so very easy to find. So we've been in Addison close to a decade and we are loving it.
Hi, I'm Diana Peters. I'm the Executive Director of Symbol Training Institute. So we provide skilled workers for the workforce. So we do training, and then we also help the manufacturers find their skilled talent.
Within 4 months, we will not only train you, you'll get a new skill set, a new lease on life, a new really marketable, employable skill set, and then we help place you to work. So it's a wonderful turnkey operation here.
So Symbol started out as a manufacturing company almost 4 decades ago, and we transferred it into a training facility because we saw the great need for skilled workers, and we decided we have to do something about it. So now we're providing service to our manufacturing community.
So Symbol is known for obviously our high quality, reliable workforce and talent pipeline that we could provide for the manufacturers. So we not only train incumbent workers, but we will also train people who are new to the industry.
So Symbol came out from our tool and die shop, which is Symbol Tool, and also Symbol is symbol of excellence. So we like to keep the symbol when moving into the training facility.
We started out in Skokie, Illinois, and now we moved out to Addison, Illinois a decade later, really on the demand that a lot of the manufacturers were out here in the O'Hare or in DuPage County area, particularly in the Addison area, so that's why we chose Addison as our second location.
So women are the biggest untapped market for the manufacturing community. And I sat on the board for Women in Manufacturing for Illinois for a few years, and we were promoting and advocating for women in this field. And there is so much opportunity, and there is wonderful growth for women, and we just want to make sure that they're aware that this is a career for them. We are the #1 CNC training facility, and we train and provide skilled workers for manufacturing community. So anyone who is interested in getting into this field, you can come in, take a tour. You can visit our website at www.symboltraining.edu and learn more about what we do.